Livy, where's your nose? Sammy, where's your nose? Where's your eyes? That's right. Where's your head? Where's your hair? That's right. Where's your ears? Where's your toes? Yay! Where's your belly button? Where's your button? Livy, did you get your button? Where's your button?
Livy, go hug Sammy. He needs a hug.
Go get him! Go get him, Livy!
Go get him.
Go get him! Go get him, Livy! Go get him!
Livy, go get Sammy.
Is she gonna get you, Sammy? Is she gonna get you? Go get him!